Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove Hyundai Tucson floor mats. First, ensure your vehicle is parked securely with the engine off. This provides a safe environment to work. Next, identify the two circular retention clips, typically found on the driver's side floor mat. These clips are designed to keep your mat firmly in place while driving. Now, let's unlock those clips. Gently grasp one of the circular retention clips. Rotate it 1/4 turn counterclockwise. You should feel a slight click as it disengages. Repeat this process for the second clip. This simple twist releases the mat from its secure anchor points on the vehicle's floor. With both clips unlocked, you can now easily remove the mat. Gently lift the mat straight up from the floor posts. Then, slide the entire mat forward, away from the accelerator and brake pedals. This helps prevent any snagging or bending as you guide it out of the footwell. It should come out smoothly. Reinstalling your floor mat is just as simple. First, align the holes on the mat with the two floor posts. Press the mat down firmly onto the posts. Finally, rotate each retention clip 1/4 turn clockwise until it clicks into place. This ensures your mat is securely fastened and won't shift during driving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.